When an insatiable desire is born, the world witnesses a passion weaved into solutions that make this world a better place. Three entrepreneurs, one insatiable desire. Mr. Shalin Botadra, Mr. Jatin Nagani, Mr. Hardik Vadwara. A desire to supercharge the world with enhanced energy storage solutions. That's when Volatic Batteries was founded. With a vision to fulfill the void of quality energy storage solutions, Volatic has persistently strived to remain at the forefront of the industry with nothing less than its world-class quality. Situated at GIDC Industrial Estate, Volatic's state-of-the-art facility houses every equipment and technology that is required to produce batteries that are at par with industry standards. Automatic grid casting machine, PE separator, and more. This automated control facility is where art meets precision. Volatic is committed to achieving higher customer satisfaction, which is being ensured through continual improvement of the quality management system. However, Volatic's real strength does not lie in our modernized facility and advanced machinery only. It lies in the efforts of the highly skilled manpower, fully integrated and established process. Out-of-the-box thinking management, a strong and determined leadership. Today, Volatic Batteries has spread its footprints and network across the state of Gujarat. Volatic's vision is to spread its wings across the country. With the right zeal, will and optimism, Volatic is ready to unleash the power energy. www.volaticbatteries.com